Alright, we gotta get these sounds recorded.
I'm ready.
Do a little soul searching there, big guy.
Yeah, soul searching.
Did you eat some meatloaf? You did, didn't you?
AD to Foley crew, AD to Foley crew, do you copy?
We're here.
Okay guys, I need you to record some special effects for Soundstage 52. Now on the chart is, hang on a sec. Hey Ty, what Foley effects do we need? We need a crowd cheer. Yeah guys, we need you to record some applause, you got it?
Copy, get the applause right.
And look, we also need some horse trots.
Copy, who's got the horse trot? Got the horse trot!
Oh yeah, don't forget that rake scrape we talked about. Hey, hang on. Hey Ty, what's the status with the rake? We need a guard rake scrape coming free. Did you catch that? Okay, let's get a mic check.
Mic check! 1, 2, 3, 4. Give that echo. Is that good? Yeah.
Sounds great. All right, now let's record this stuff ASAP. I'll get back to you. Over.
Guys! Yeah! Hey!
Now listen up. Ty needs some pipe hits and a few door knocker sounds.
Okay, who's got the door knockers?
I got the knockers!
She's got the knockers!
Look at the tape. We're counting on you. Over.
Yeah, we got it. Watch her go!
Okay, look, before you head back in, I need you to capture some footsteps and a crash sound. Why don't you grab a few guests to help you out?
Okay, you're with me. So step up forward real quick. She's going to tell you what to do. Come here. What's your name? Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce to you Kristen! Kristen! Now, Kristen, you have a very important role. When I tell you to raise your arms, all of these people are going to scream at the top of their lungs. Do you believe that? Not hardly. Okay, let's try it, shall we? Scream as loud as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! You can scream too if you want. Give me a high five. Come back here now. Okay, eyes on her.
All right.
Watch what's about to happen. That's right.
Okay. So start shaking and
Very nice. Now you stretch. Stay so strong.
keep it going.